me. Don't give in to sleep. Don't give in. No. Orion is ever alert. He doesn't need sleep. He doesn't need anyone else to get sleep either. Because he's fully awake. Vigilant. I'm trying a little reverse psychology on you, huh? But you know, you're such good company, I don't mind if you stay awake. See, it works. Reverse psychology.